YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today, we're going to talk about the market. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Toshi Coin. As you guys can see, the market is sitting up pretty good today. Before we get into that, though, I have to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. We are just talking about cryptocurrency and things that are trending, as well as a little bit of news. So don't make any financial decisions. Never do that based off of these videos. Also want to talk to you guys about something that is super important because we've been talking about Toshi search volume, and I told you guys in the last video that we really have to get our likes and comments up so that we can start getting our search volume up as well and start getting pushed out more in the algorithm. And I just want to show you guys what happens when you guys engage in content, because again, I just made that video earlier today around like 10 o'clock, like 2 hours ago. And you guys see how we went from like a 16 all the way up to a 36. This is what we need consistently. We need to be in the comment section, because on some of these more long-term charts, you guys could see here, we have to pick up the engagement. So again, you guys engaging in that last video was awesome. Make sure that you're hitting the like and the subscribe button if you guys are bullish on Toshi. Also, let us know how bullish you are in the comment section. That lets YouTube know how much you guys like this. And again, that's why we're seeing more volume than we saw in prior days. So just good job to all you guys. Just wanted to say that, and that the effort is working. It definitely works, I promise you. So let's check out how the market looks today. As you guys could see, Bitcoin, our total market cap up 4%. Fear index coming in at a 23. Bitcoin coming in at an 85, right? Seeing some key resistance here up at 85. We did talk about the fact that 85 is a key level of resistance that we would need to break out of. We did get some pretty decently bullish news, but at the same time, guys, have to be a little bit concerned over if this is going to be a fake out or not. We have not yet got confirmed break. I told you we're not yet confirmed of a we're not yet confirmed that we've made a bottom until, in my opinion, we get back up to that like 89 range on our weekly chart. Let's see. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. So we need to start getting back up to this these higher ranges up here, but we're seeing a little bit of a retest of this 1 day, right? So we need to close this daily candle good. Right now the market is looking very volatile. We have not again had a confirmed breakout because we're still trending underneath this line. You guys have seen how many times we've even tried to break over this. So just again, be a little bit careful of a possible fake in this type of situation. But we did get some pretty decent good news out of the Fed. How the market perceives it is really going to be up to the market. As you guys could see, starting to look a little bit volatile right now. I would expect some big volatility today. I do kind of like that the price is moving more on a Wednesday than on a Monday. I don't like when the price moves early in the week, because usually we see fake outs happen early in the week, and we see usually, I always say, real price action happen later in the week. So maybe Bitcoin does decide it wants to go on a run, or again, maybe the market is showing us another fake, right? We have another rising wedge here, and we're again possibly rejecting off of this top level of this Keltner channel. So we have to be careful, because look, right here happened too. We rejected, and you guys could see we had a hard time breaking back above that level, right? So we just want to make sure that, again, we're seeing some good positive price action on Bitcoin. And in my opinion, right now, it's just a little too early to say, even though, again, yeah, the market is pumping a lot right now. And we're seeing some euphoria coming back into the markets. You guys can see some of these coins are seeing volatility right alongside Bitcoin too. You guys can see Solana right now still up in the past 24 hours, up like 6%, up 1% in the past 1 hour. But again, a lot of things sitting right on some key support, right? Including our XRP also probably looking at some key resistance as well. You guys can see, right? We do not want to start breaking down here. This could possibly be a nice bull flag forming. Also could have some kind of a wedge forming here as well. But we also want to be careful, because look, we might have started to break down on XRP, and this might also be a bear flag, right? So really got to start picking up in volume. In my opinion, the market is just kind of sitting in limbo behind Bitcoin. So that's just kind of, I feel like, what we're looking at. Let's talk about some Toshi, right? So you guys could see Toshi Coin seeing a little bit of volatility as well, but we were up about 4%, about 5% at our peak. And then now, again, we're retesting our levels of key resistance as well. It just seems like this coin is just one that's pumping with Bitcoin, which again is something that I look for on these dips. I do think that Toshi Coin will perform well in 2025. I just feel like it's going to be dependent on Bitcoin's performance. And right now, Bitcoin's performance, again, still just a little bit uncertain. So Toshi Coin also sitting at some key resistance on the 2-hour. It's sitting at key resistance on the 1 too, right? We need to start breaking up on this 1 hour. Really, I would say, yeah, the 4-hour too is looking pretty good because we're starting to break up above this level, this bottom Keltner channel, but we do gotta start breaking up above the next level, right? On the 4, and then on the 2 also, we gotta start seeing some more price volume, right? You guys can see though, we are seeing some volume, right? The 1 hour, if we could break above this on the 1 hour, this will be really good for Toshi, and we could possibly see this thing start to pick up a lot more in volume. But again, it's going to be dependent on Bitcoin. It's going to be dependent on the confidence that this market has. As you guys can see, our market cap is printing a little bit today, but also, I mean, just not the best pattern, to be honest with you guys. The fact that Bitcoin is creating this rising wedge is still concerning to me, right? We're kind of created a wedge here, but again, we could either break down or we can continue pumping, right? Maybe we're breaking out of the wedge, or maybe again, we still have a wedge, right? It's looking like volatile. It could be a fake out or it could be a breakout. Hard to say, right? Wedge on the month, right? But then on these smaller time intervals, looking like maybe a breakout. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you guys bullish on the news that we got just now? Are you bearish on it? Again, all your guys' engagement helps new people see Toshi. We have to get this back on the homepage, guys. It's going to help educate people more. So that's the goal, guys. It's never financial advice. Just trying to help you guys learn how to trade this stuff a little bit better, and to not fall for some of the tricks that I fell for in the past. But at the end of the day, again, not a professional, just the homie, just giving you my opinions on the market. Yeah, be safe out there, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.